Hi, Georgia Mills here to bring you the news that Hormones, the Inside Story is back for a brand new series. This is the podcast from the Society for Endocrinology where we look at hormones. Now, hormones are the little chemicals inside us that pretty much run the show. They keep us alive and sometimes cause us a whole heap of trouble. But they're also the subject of lots of misinformation. So this is the series that goes straight to the experts for the science facts without the fiction. And in this series, we are bringing you tall tales about hormones and height.
Because they were from Ireland, I kind of jokingly said to my colleagues that, could there be a link with the Irish giant in the museum? And they just laughed at me. But I actually took my own silly idea quite seriously.
We're taking the hype out of the hypothesis for time-based diets like intermittent fasting.
The way those changes in the meal, the timing of the meal, the size of the meal is going to work is by changing your hormones. So if we could figure out that middle step, then in theory you could tap into that knowledge and you could maybe find a medicine or even a dietary supplement or something that does the same thing.
And we're going on a quest for the hormonal fountain of youth.
And so, as a human, you can look at that and think, well, that's terrifying. I've got this exponential wall of mortality coming towards me, inevitably as time passes. But as a scientist, you can look at that and think, can we understand that? Can we do something about it? And can we potentially prevent all of the horrible things that happen, in this synchronized way in our biology that we call aging?
Plus, we'll be exploring the menopause and its supposed counterpart, the menopause, finding out whether humans are really headed for a fertility crisis and whether we can find the hormonal formula for happiness. The first episode is coming out November the 8th, and you can get it on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts from. So make sure you're subscribed, tell all of your friends, and I'll see you then.